everyone, this is Alina from Alinacutle. Today I will make a tutorial for this daisy stencil set. First, stick a white card onto this stick mat. Use stencil layer 1, stick onto the stick mat. And blend with this orange color. Under the leaves, I use green color to blend. Okay, now I finished the first layer and now I use layer 2. And blend with this dark orange. With the pattern on the stencil, blending is very easy for any people. And for the leaves, it is a little smaller, so I use a small brush. I use a little dark green for there too. Okay, layer 2 finished and I start layer 3. I use red color for layer 3 for the flowers. The blending complete. It's very beautiful flowers and leaves with 3 colors. And I use outline die cut. There is an outline die cut for each part. all the parts cut out. The metal die fits very well to the patterns. Now I combine the parts. The flowers look real and very beautiful with the layer colors. See, we can make different flowers and the leaf combination, and all these are so pretty. Here are several cards I have made. It's real beautiful, right? And this is second card, a book with daisy flower, a note of thanks card, and this card is for friend. Okay, thanks for watching. I hope you loved today's video. Thank you, bye bye.